We're here in Drummond grounds, County Tipperary, my home club where I would have grown up playing camogie. The late Johnny Harkins was the main man, the driving force in the club here. He coached us all the way up along. Himself and his wife Joan would put in huge, countless hours into the club. We had great success underage, and then we went on and won 3 senior county finals, 2 Munsters, and we reached 2 All-Ireland finals. We won the senior county final in 2003, and then that winter I suppose got a phone call to come onto the Tip Senior panel. So I was very lucky to come onto the panel in 2004, and that was just an unbelievable year. It was the centenary year of the camogie, and we went on and we won the Munster final, the league and the All-Ireland final that year. I think I was probably 15 or 16 when I went to my first club AGM, and kind of been going to them ever since, and have taken on probably every role in the club at some stage or another. I've coached at all levels as well. You know, I was coaching under 6s last year, and I suppose I've coached all the way up along and managed the senior team for a couple of years as well. We're here in the Tipperary County Camogie grounds. This is where we'll have all our home county games, and I suppose as PRO I spend a lot of time down here. Just going into my 5th year now as PRO of Tipperary County Camogie. There's a lot involved in it, I suppose. You know, match reports and social media updates, and you know, we do streaming games, and it's an enjoyable role. I suppose something that I'm passionate about, and I just feel like camogie, probably we set ourselves short a bit. Since I've become PRO, I've tried to raise the standard of promotion of the game and just put it out there as much as I possibly can, and I think people have responded to that. In fairness to local media, they're covering more and more games, and the radio start covering games, and they were looking for people to do co-commentary or commentary, and I was asked, and something I liked. And the streaming side again, I suppose that started in COVID when people couldn't go to matches. We started hiring out streaming companies to stream the game, and then I suppose I was just kind of a natural fit to do the commentary as well. You know, if we're streaming the game, cameras up here, we're doing commentary here, or we could just be doing our Twitter updates, our social media updates from here, or just keeping track of the match for a match report after. So it's a great place to view the match, and yeah, I suppose just we're spending a lot of my time now at the weekends, I suppose. I've been looking, you know, I won PRO of the Year from the Camogie Association last year, and I suppose got some lovely awards within the county as well, and I suppose this will be the cherry on the top.